we present FoolProofJoint, a software tool that simplifies the assembly of laser cut 3D models and minimizes assembly errors. FoolProofJoint achieves this by creating custom finger joint patterns. FoolProofJoint addresses the following problems. First, the user wants to insert a leg piece here, but picks up an incorrect piece, tries to assemble it, and recognizes that it does not fit. FoolProofJoint solves this issue by making pieces identical, thus interchangeable. Second, it is possible that the user might try to assemble a piece in the wrong orientation, causing the piece to not fit. FoolProofJoint addresses this issue by making pieces symmetric. Third, the user wants to assemble the backrest here, and there are two similar looking pieces. However, one of them is incorrect. A wrong piece may fit, and the error may go unnoticed as subsequent pieces continue to fit as well, thereby producing a propagation error. And the error is noticed when a piece does not fit. The user needs to disassemble the model, and it is frustrating. FoolProofJoint addresses these assembly mistakes by giving each joint pair a unique finger pattern, which assures that incorrect pieces never fit. FoolProofJoint is a two-step algorithm. FoolProofJoint creates joints to maximize interchangeability and symmetry by comparing envelopes of pieces. Envelopes are the shapes of pieces without joints. If pieces have the same envelope, FoolProofJoint gives them the same joint pattern. If pieces have symmetric envelopes, FoolProofJoint gives them symmetric joint patterns. After that, FoolProofJoint creates distinct joint patterns for the pieces that have almost the same envelope. For example, the front leg piece should be assembled to the seat bottom piece, but can accidentally assemble to the backrest piece, which just happens to have a similar envelope. FoolProofJoint resolves this by making the two joint patterns distinct, preventing the incorrect piece from being assembled. FoolProofJoint is integrated into Cube, an existing 3D modeling environment for laser cutting. As users modify the model, FoolProofJoint creates joints in real time so users effortlessly model without running into assembly errors later on. In our technical evaluation, FoolProofJoint prevented assembly errors for 97% of 217 tested models. In conclusion, FoolProofJoint reduces the likelihood of assembly errors.